So guys, it's official. I've decided to get rid of the Ultra. Just got a call while I was at the doctor's office, and deal that I was working on has come through. So we are going to be saying goodbye to the Ultra Limited. Won't lie, it's kind of weird to say that. I have very mixed feelings. This bike has served me really well. It's been great, as you guys know. We did some road trips on it, and I spent a lot of time on this bike. And it was my first Harley Davidson. It kind of got me out to you know, start going to bike nights and looking at doing organized rides and things like that. And yeah, gonna miss her. But that being said, I think you all will be very excited to see what I have purchased. Yeah, so I'm not going to give it away. There will be a video announcement of what I bought. And I'm planning on doing a live stream right after it, so we can talk about what I bought and why I bought it and who I've pissed off and who likes it and who doesn't, and whatever Moose has to say in the comments. But yeah, I'm really excited. I will say, and I know a lot of you are like, oh my god, Bri, this is the worst time in the world to buy a motorcycle. Maybe not. I think it's like anything. There's certainly dealers out there that are taking incredible advantage of the situation, and then there are non-Harley dealers that aren't, and non-brands that aren't too. I think the non-Harley brands are certainly being a little bit more aggressive, and it's like anything though. You know, you talk to 5 dealers, you're gonna get 5 different answers. But I will say this, I was not the one that found the new bike. My darling wife Katie was on the internet one night, handed me her phone and said, I found your bike. Woke up the next morning, called the dealership. Sales guy that answered the phone was absolutely amazing. We had a nice conversation. He told me it was in stock, and that all I needed to do was put down a deposit and come get it. It is a significant distance from my house, or at least a distance from my house, so I'm not going to be able to get it right away. I'm going to have to find a weekend to go pick it up. So I may throw the content for the channel off for a little bit until I actually come home with it, but hopefully there won't be a delay in content. And you know, knowing me, I'll probably reveal it way sooner than maybe even this video. This video may come out and you might be like, Bri, you already told us you got a new bike. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. This was a goal that I had for a while now, and something I've been working towards. And like I said, if you know me, I'm a nerd. I like to do my research and spend a lot of time working a deal. And I spent a lot of time working this deal back and forth, and I think I got something not only very unique, but for a fantastic price. So yeah, it's kind of weird. Gonna miss the old girl. You know, she's got some signs of a good life. She's been ridden hard, but yeah, it's kind of a bittersweet last ride for her. But she has served me well. I have no doubt that she will serve someone else well. I will say that I've already reached out to some of the companies I work with, and they are on board in supporting the new build out for the bike. So I'm really excited to say that the companies that supported me with the old bike have stepped up to support me with the new bike, so that's going to be exciting. There's going to be a lot of installs coming up, a lot of reviews, a lot of talking about the old bike versus the new bike and how that's changed. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good for the channel. It'll bring me woo, we're going through this light, hang on. it's going to bring something new to the channel. You know, a new bike's always good. Mix it up, change my demographics a little bit. And as you know, one of the things that I love doing in this channel is, you know, doing my live streams, my interviews, and talking to people. And the other is doing install videos. So having another bike or a different bike is going to be it's going to be good for the channel. Get to do some more installs and some reviews. I will say that we are going to take it a different direction with this build. It's not going to be like the Ultra. It's going to be something very different. Something I'm really looking forward to. Getting away from you know, the standard look of the bike and trying something new. So I'm excited to do that, but I'm also excited to bring folks along that have, or companies rather, that have supported the channel and have given me great support to continue to rep those brands. So that's really great. But yeah, I'm really excited. Again, I don't want to give too much away, but the test ride kind of sealed the deal for me. I wasn't able to get to that dealership and ride that particular bike that I'm buying. I was able to test ride the same year, same model at another dealership. So I have an understanding of what I'm getting, although at a base, again, I don't want to give too much away, but this new bike is far from stock. So it's going to be pretty fun. It's going to be nice to have the work done before I leave the dealership, and then continue to build out the bike. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm very grateful, you know, for the opportunity. I'm very grateful for you guys. You know, if I didn't have you guys along supporting the channel, I wouldn't be able to engage with the brands that I engage with. And you know, I've said this before, but that kind of engagement is everything to me, in developing a reputation in the community and being able to do those things. I mean, it certainly offsets the cost of the bike, or certainly the upgrades, so that's always cool. But you know, you guys have been fantastic. I never thought I'd have the amount of channel members that I have. I appreciate you guys very much for supporting the channel, and I appreciate the support that you guys come out on, you know, every Wednesday and have some fun with me as we talk to new folks. That's always a good time, and I always enjoy when I can crash somebody else's live stream and sit in. And I could do that with Denver, and got to do that with Harley Fat Boy Jr. last week, so it's always fun. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you an update. I'm still processing this. It's pretty exciting and scary at the same moment. But yeah, the bike's going away. The Ultra is going to be finding a new home. We are moving into something a little different, so we will see how that goes. Like I said, I'm excited, and got my laundry list of things that I need done to the bike already, and things I want to get done, conversations I want to have with companies. But yeah, it's really going to be exciting, and I've got a fair amount of rides planned already for this year. Unlike last year, kind of got away from me. This year is going to be a lot of riding, so the timing of this deal could not be any better. So that's the big news. I'm looking forward very much to sharing that with you. I hope you guys will come out for the premiere and then the live stream, and we can talk about you know, whether I made a good decision or whether I made a poor decision. Just kidding, I made a great decision. But you know, I'm sure there's gonna be someone in the side chat like Dallas that's gonna have to heckle me. And you know, the first thing that's gonna happen when I buy a new bike is Moto Noggin's gonna want to race. Monkey's gonna tell me I should have got a 131. I know how this goes. I'm prepared for it all. But all kidding aside, guys, I love you to death. I just wanted to share the news with you. If you are a channel member, you probably didn't need this video because I'm going to release the reveal sooner to the channel members, but just a way of saying thank you for all you guys have done for the channel. But yeah, saying goodbye to the Ultra. So like I said, it's kind of bittersweet. Katie found me that one. Katie found me the one I couldn't walk away from. She broke me down. She got me when I wasn't expecting it. But Now, she did a fantastic job, and I think you guys will be understand why I'm so thrilled and why I'm sitting on the announcement until it's actually in my hands, so to speak. But yeah, great things to come, man. So as always, I hope you guys are well. Hope you're staying safe. I love you guys to death, and please remember you're not alone. Have a great night, guys.